Good morning, it's the 14th of November, it's Tuesday. Let's have a look at the weather. Blue skies again, absolutely gorgeous day. And there's loads to do, there is loads to do. So first things first, I've got to catch up on emails from yesterday. Got 2 bikes here that hopefully will be picked up today, and then all of those wheels, that's the first priority. And then sort the inner tubes out later on this afternoon, and then in the back here the ridge back is going to get sorted. So that's my task for today. Now, we had a comment the other day going, why are you going to so much fuss processing old wheels? Okay, so we get wheels come in. So first things first, they need the tyres and the tubes taken off. The tubes we can reuse for us and customers. Rim tape we can use. The tyres then have to be graded. So I'll show you our tyres. So we don't put tyres out that have lost their tread or have cracked or worn, that sort of thing. So that's what we do. So the next thing, I don't know if this will find me, 2 seconds. So then we're left with a wheel. So a wheel has things on it like wheel nuts, possibly quick releases, rim tape, sprockets if it's a rear wheel, cassette if it's a rear wheel. So we want all those, so we take those off so we can grade them. The ones we don't want end up in the bin, or the ones that don't work end up in the bin, should I say. The ones that do, we then put them in a bucket, and the customer, or we ever need a sprocket of a certain size, we've always got one. So then we're left with a bare wheel. So what we do is we test the wheel to see if it's true and whether the bearings are running smoothly. If it's not true, it goes in a pile, and we've got a big pile at the back. If it's corroded, it goes in the pile. If it's got broken spokes, it goes in the pile. And what we do is we then, and you'll see this hopefully later this week, is we then cut all the spokes out, because the aluminium rims, we then weigh in the metal, and aluminium currently is £900 a tonne. So they get recycled. We then put the bits that we can't use. So if, let's say we cut the spokes out and there's a hub we can use, that then goes into the shop and for sale. If not, that then goes into a tub, and then our scrap people come around and they take all our steel. But the aluminium is what we want. The aluminium is the thing that's worth. If a wheel makes it through that, then what we do, so let's say a wheel does spin truly, it's not corroded, it's a good wheel, what we do is we clean it, and then, I don't know what you're seeing, we then make a ton of wheels. So that is why we put the process in all the wheels, because we want the aluminium, we want the wheels, but we only want good ones. Ones that make it quality ones, and also because we want to make space, because wheels take up such a lot of space. So that's why we do that. So that's going to be my next job of the day. But first thing first, I need to get the kettle on, and I need to deal with the emails from the weekend. So that's all the wheels done. That's a year's worth of bicycle wheels done. Oh, I can't tell you how happy I am. So we've got a load of tubes, we've got a load of tyres here and here. Probably not as many wheels as I would like, but the next job is to get some air into these so that they can be processed later in the week, and then tidy up, and then have a cup of coffee because I haven't stopped for 2 hours. Right, let's get into it. Oh, I can't tell you how good a feeling it is that all the inner tubes are done, all the tyres are done. So I've got all my tyres. So now it's just later on this week, process the wheels are on a chuck. Get what we can off them, materials wise, and then crack on. So my next job, I just need to turn the inner tubes were inflated last week into tubes for sale. This is quite a nice job, doesn't take long, so I'm going to crack on with that, and then I can focus on getting this workshop tidied up because it's really bad. Right, I'm going to get on. So that's all the inner tubes done. I'm just gonna have a tidy up, and then it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna crack on doing that. Oh god, that's such a big job to do a year's worth of tyres and wheels. So the inner tubes are all inflated. We got probably 20 inner tubes out of that batch. And probably 10 tyres, I reckon, that are any good. That's done now. Oh, I can't tell you what a relief it is. That's been on my mind for so long. So my next job, like I say, is to tidy the shop up so that this afternoon I can get some work done. Right, let's get into it. From lunch, I tidied the shop up, but I need to finish that off. But since we got back from lunch, it's been a bit manic, so we had to post a product that a customer bought from us off our website, www.CycleRecycleuk.com, and then if you go to click on parts and accessories, you'll see our, all the parts and accessories we sell that we ship all over the world. So we had a set of forks that the customer had bought, so we had to wrap those, package those, and then get them sent to the customer. And we also had someone wanted us to sell their bike on our website. You can do that by going again www.CycleRecycleuk.com / I think it's / sell your bike. I could be wrong, I don't know what's going on here. Give me a second. Here we go. Yeah, I think cyclerecycleuk.com/sell-your-bike. It costs $4.99 and we sell bikes for our customers. So we had to do that and it was a bit intense. And then this afternoon I am going to try and move some of the stock around in the shop. But we're at the limit now as to how much I can record and get this video ready for this evening. So I'm going to call it a day there. Don't forget, if you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon and you will get notified every time we put a video on. If you've already subscribed, welcome to the channel. We love having you here. We hope you're enjoying the videos, and we will see you tomorrow.